Good morning from Ride Royal Blue, Tennessee. We got in here last night at about 11 or a little bit after. We unpacked and decided we needed to go on a night ride. So machines are already unloaded. They're already a little dirty. We've already been out there for a couple hours. We are staying right here at Ride Royal Blue. Here's our view from our rustic cabin. Anyone that doesn't have a camper, these rustic cabins are awesome. It is basically just a big shed with a couple of beds. There's a bunk bed with a big bed on the bottom, big bed here. This could easily sleep 4, 5 people if a couple of the people didn't mind getting real close together. Got a little bit of rain already this morning, but everything's starting to dry out. The sun's starting to come up. We are gonna track down something to eat, and we'll come back. You'll probably see us on the trails here in this next clip. Alright, we got a tire down. Someone decided they wanted to charge into a bank with the sidewall of the tire, and it blew the tire off. So we're gonna get this tire rebeaded and get it going again. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, got this tire back on. We are gonna head back down here to, we're gonna go to the gas station, and then we're gonna run over and try to find the Eternal Flame and a couple other lookout points over there. This is the road to the Eternal Flame. It's a green trail. I don't know if it's still Trail 50 or Turley Road or what it is, but I use the Can Am Crew maps, and it's a green trail coming up to here. And there's a car. Looks like it's been here for a minute. There's a trail down to it, like a lot of people come and look at it. Damn. Hopefully no one was in that when it came down here. Bad day for somebody. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, driver. Back up more. Back up more. Alright. Hey, full wheel low. No, steer that way, steer that way. Yeah, go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. It's not too bad right here. Nice little... All right, we are still on our way over to the Eternal Flame. This looks like it's Trail 14. Pretty good little wet section there. And then we got another pretty good little swampy section ahead of us. But there's this cool little rock cave that Nate's about to see if Bigfoot comes out of. This is beautiful.
Yeah, like little swings that go down into it.
Get your skinny little legs down in there.
You come look in this shaft. I said shaft, yes.
Oh shit. Wow. That is nuts. Well, if Bigfoot's out here, this is his home. Holy shit. That's probably good for me. Go in there. What do you think? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
A little frog just chilling out right here by the water dripping off the rocks. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, we're getting close to the Eternal Flame. We're gonna get through this swampy section and see what's on ahead of it. Alright, well, we came around the corner and found an even cooler rock spot. This whole big, like, ledge overhang. That cave we were just at's about 100 yards back that way. It's pretty cool. We don't see a lot of stuff like this in Indiana. guess, to the eternal flame, which is no more. If anybody knows what happened to it, or if I'm in the wrong spot, let me know. But this looks like what I've seen. I just don't see the rock pile or any flame or anything like that. That was disappointing. We had a pretty good ride to get over here. Did see a couple cool trails. Rode that creek a little bit. Got a nice pond over here, but came over here to see the eternal flame, and it is not here. So we're gonna, I think, catch a overlook or a waterfall on the way back. Go hit that Mexican restaurant and get some lunch.